dokie. Coming.
Hey, yo!
It's taking a little while. There you go. And we got some gas coming out. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6 screws. Not want my garage to smell like gas. Plastic bag. Mad gas in there. I do have a quarter, about a little over a quarter tank of gas, so you know. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen. It's my workstation. It's my workstation. You know what? Like it's full. Why does it look full of fuel? I know I got a quarter, a little over a quarter. Whew, well, I got it out. Yeah. Workstation. Came right off. That's the fuel pump. Find the same. springs. Alright, man, this thing is dirty. And we are back. Put on my 2 little gloves. Got a million of them, thanks to the lady of the house. All right, now, actually, I can change the pump. Okay, so this slides off like that. Oh. Alright. Go ahead. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay. Should probably clean it some more. Look at that. Now the reason why I'm changing this fuel pump is because the car's been having a slow start. I thought it was the battery. I changed the battery. It was better for a little while, but a week later, still doing a slow start. The alternator and the starter was changed, I would say a year ago. Maybe a little over a year ago. So I don't think it's that, but who knows. Change the fuel pump, which is a good thing I'm changing anyway, because y'all saw how dirty all it was. Put this ring back. My fingers do not like little things like this. Oh my God, this is gonna be so hard to do. I need something else. Snips.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, I finally got this. It took me a good 20 minutes, not gonna lie. My fingers don't like little like that, man, I'm telling you. First. Rubber's on there. Like that. Alright, nice. And this goes right back up in here. Man, listen, it is official. GoPros suck. Just the batteries died, disconnected, all type, man. But I got it back together. I don't know what recorded or what didn't record, but I got everything back together. I tested before I put everything back. See if the car actually starts. The car actually starts. And it's pretty much done now. Just putting all this stuff back.